Yo guys, what's up? So the charts are exactly where we left yesterday. Okay. I did not change anything. I did not change anything because I was busy during New York and did not catch the sell from here. So I actually caught a sell from here, respecting the same stop loss level. Okay. But I did not catch the original sell where I was supposed to sell on the 30-minute engulfing candlestick. We'll get there soon. So if you are joining me for the very first time, show some love by subscribing, guys. Show some love by subscribing. Let's build something together. My sweetest glory, you are welcome. Nice to have you here. Nice to have you here. You see how clean the charts are? Like something big is going to happen soon. Let's just keep watching. Well, you see how close we are to our zone. But if you go down to the 30 minutes, you have a tighter zone. So we won't be trying to sell just from the mid-level. Rather, we'll see if price will respect this zone. Which is a key level or a point of interest, sorry, or our golden zone. So on the 30 minutes, you see, after this leg, we've not had a good pullback. What's up, guys? For those who are just joining us, we are currently on GBP USD. And we are actually doing this every day. So in case you've been missing, do not forget to show some love by subscribing, okay? Subscribe to the channel and let's build something together. Show some love by subscribing, and also tell me in the comment section where exactly you are streaming from. Tell me where you're streaming from. If you've been missing my live streams, that should be because you're not subscribed to the channel, okay? And for those who want to join my inner cycle, you can contact this WhatsApp number, or you check the description to get access to the links. Okay, so let's see the levers. Wow, my Cameroon people. So looking at our Fibonacci, you realize that the 61.8 retracement level is exactly on our golden zone. Sorry, on our key level, 1.36 thousand. But now above, the 78.6 retracement level pulls up into the golden zone, where price might want to fill or get in before crashing. So we stick to the 1 hour time frame and see how it looks like. Okay. And if you see what this looks like on the hourly time frame, you will now understand why we had a sell yesterday on the 30 minutes. Let me take you back to the 30 minutes so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. You see what we are seeing now on 30 minutes. Yesterday, this is what we saw on the 30 minutes. Let me mark it out, and when we go back to the hourly time frame, you'll see it. We saw this. Okay, it was something like this. When we go back to the hourly time frame, you'll see it. We saw this. Okay, it was something like this. When we go back to the hourly time frame, you'll see it. We saw this. Okay, it was something like this. When we go back to the hourly time frame, you'll see it. We saw this. Okay, it was something like this. When we go back to the hourly time frame, you'll see it. We saw this. Okay, it was something like this. When we go back to the hourly time frame, you'll see it. We saw this. Okay, it was something like this. When we go back to the hourly time frame, you'll see it. We saw this. Okay, it was something like this. When we go back to the hourly time frame, you'll see it. We saw this. Okay, it was something like this. When we go back to the hourly time frame, you'll see it. We saw this. Okay, it was something like this. When we go back to the hourly time frame, you'll see it. We saw this. Okay, it was something like this. When we go back to the hourly time frame, you'll see it. We saw this. Okay, it was something like this. Price took out these highs, came back down, and took out these lows. Okay, when you see that, know that it's something big. Let me go back to the 1 hour. You'll see the same thing has happened. You see, this is the same thing here. Price took out the highs, came back, took out the lows. You see that it's the same thing that happened yesterday here that has happened today on the hourly. What's up, guys? For those joining us for the very first time, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get it going. We are looking forward to have some sales on GBP USD. Okay. We actually did not catch this big sell yesterday, but we saw somewhere around here, around 1.86 thousand. And so we are hoping to get back into drawdown because I'm still holding to get back into drawdown before we continue the sales. Though I took some partial profits, but I will still have some to be in drawdown. So if price pulls back to this level, I'll scale in. And guys, this is simple. This is what we do every day. So in case you want to be part of us, it's not that complicated. Just get to this number on WhatsApp and you'll receive a reply, guys. So tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from and what is your biggest trading problem? What's your biggest challenge in trading? Is it risk management? Is it entries? Is it strategy? What's your biggest issue? Let us know so that I can figure out a solution for you. Okay. So let's keep our charts clean. Let's keep our charts clean. Tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? Where exactly are you streaming from? Where are you watching us from? Is it Nigeria? Is it Britain? Is it Cameroon? Good morning, my brother from another mother. Nice to have you here, bro. Wow, 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 wow. So we have people all the way from South Africa. This is powerful, guys. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going, guys. So yesterday during New York session, price actually gave us a sell confirmation on GBP USD within our golden zone of the 30-minute time frame as we expected. Let me just go to a new chart and just keep these markings out while we wait for price to pull into our zone and we see if we can get a confirmation. So let's discuss on these charts. Most of this. First, this sell told us before time it was going to sell, which is sure. We had this double top, we marked it out. This is the third time price came around here. Now on the 30 minutes, we had something like this. We had a clean change of character on the 30 minutes. So price gave us a change of character here. It might look small, but it means a lot. The reason we call this a change of character, let me extend it. I will explain it. Let me extend it to this extreme. For those who've been watching my videos, once you see me doing this, you already understand what I'm talking about. So this is where we had a change of character. Why do we call this a change of character? It's simple. Price pulled up, took out this high. Price took out this high, giving us a break of structure to the upside, right? I believe you guys can see my screen very well. Giving us a break of structure to the upside. And now it came back down, took out this low. What tricked me into the market was the fact that we had this pullback, this 30 minutes candle pulled back. And I thought that was the pullback, but it did not hold. So when price pulled down and came back and retested this level, We started looking for our entries because first we had our closure below our key level, and price gave us an entry somewhere around here. We entered, price gave us little profit, and what happened? It pulled back and took us out. And note, if you notice, if you look at it clearly, this took us out but did not take out the highs, telling us it was a pullback into our golden zone. So where is our golden zone? Let me mark it out. Our golden zone is the highest point price got to. Good. To where we had the change of character. Watch this closely. For those who don't understand how to trade, this is a complete strategy that can help you. That's why I say keep coming to my live streams, because my live streams will guide you a lot. Okay. Now, most of my students in the academy, they already understand this. Okay. Once you have this zone, you start looking for an engulfing candlestick on the 30 minutes time frame. And where is it? We had this engulfing. Let me make it red. I believe you guys can see the engulfing candlestick. And this is exactly where you had to enter for a short position from this engulfing, telling you sellers are dominating. Stop loss, few pips above the golden zone. And then take profit. The next key level down, you can take a mid level. That's it. That's how simple. This is the trade. And my student catch it. Glory, were you in this trade yesterday? She's my student. I have one of my students on this live stream. Were you in this trade yesterday? Because every student of my academy should have seen this setup. I was offline, would have traded this live on YouTube during New York session, but I wasn't active. So perfect. She's here. Glory is here. So she took the trade. So we had this simple engulfing candlestick having a simple 26 pip stop loss, the golden zone. And then what happened? Price pulled all the way down to the next mid level. Okay, because we use key levels and mid levels to make our trading easy. And for those who could not catch it at this level, price actually closed below this key level. This is where I entered, below this key level. But now I could not respect this tight stop loss because price break but did not pull back. So I entered and maintained the higher stop loss because I'm looking forward to have this trade. This trade. I know that we might have this pullback and price will continue to the downside, taking out these lows, tapping on our next key level, which is 1.35 thousand. So I'm watching. I am not having a pending order here. What I'm doing is, you see, we still respect the highs because here is another. Wow. That's wonderful. So you see what we like, the highs of this golden zone that we have drawn today, right? The highs of this golden zone is respected. That's where our stop loss should be above. If you remember, the highs of yesterday's golden zone was somewhere up here. That's where our stop loss was. So we always place our stop loss above the golden zone so that you should have enough breathing space and you should have enough room for error in case you are wrong. It should be true, wrong, not real, not by mistake. Okay, not by mistake. Okay, my bro. Okay, so actually, my sell confirmation was your entry exit. Okay, so you rather had a buy to the upside, and the confirmation I got was rather an exit confirmation for you. Is that what you mean? So for those who are joining us for the very first time, do not forget to show some love by subscribing, guys. We do this always. We are always live during London session and New York session from Mondays to Fridays. Then on Saturday, 9 a.m., that's tomorrow, we'll be having a top-down analysis. Okay, we'll have live stream top-down analysis. We can go for as long as we can, but on Mondays to Fridays, we have just 1 hour. I have to, wow, that's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Well, if you remember, I tried a buy, but that buy did not even play out perfectly because for me, my buy did not hit my TP. It gave me a confirmation where we had to enter somewhere here. If you remember, yesterday I spoke about it. We had to enter somewhere here, and our exit was at least 1.36500, but price did not get to that point, so I could not. Even if I had the buy, I would have still hit SL. So I know for you, your buys are very accurate because your trades are very accurate because you don't expect a high risk to reward. But me, I go for a high risk to reward. That's why at times I hold longer. Yeah, yeah. So for those joining us right now, do not forget to show some love by subscribing because we do this always, okay? Subscribing to this channel will actually make your trading easy. That's the goal. We are here to make trading easy for everyone, okay? We're here to make trading easy for everyone. So this sell we are looking for might decide to validate by New York session. Okay, might decide to validate by New York session. That's why I'm here with you guys to break down the charts so that you should understand exactly why, if I come back on New York session, that we should sell GBP USD. You should know why we are selling. We shouldn't just you shouldn't just maybe fund your accounts, take my signals without understanding. Okay, that's why I keep telling you, subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button. That will go a long way to help the channel, and you yourself will get notified whenever I drop a signal, or whenever I drop a live, whenever I start a live stream, or when I drop a trading video, because I have so many videos on this channel where you can actually build your skill even as a complete beginner. I'll be dropping another video this weekend on how to trade support and resistance for beginners. As a complete beginner, you can use simple support and resistance strategy and still be very, very profitable. So guys, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep it going. Let's keep building. Let's do something big for ourselves. So the yesterday setup passed us by, and I'm so happy because at least, even though I did not catch the move, the main move, my students took the move and they've already made their money, which means even if I was live, even as I wasn't live, some people still got help by the strategy. Okay, so trading should be made easy. Do not complicate it too much. The easier your setups, the easier your entries, the faster you become profitable. Okay, so I want us to discuss a little about some signs of profitability, some signs you are getting close to profitability, because so many traders, when they get I'm actually giving you a clue of a podcast we did yesterday, which will be dropping maybe next week. Okay, which will be dropping maybe next week. So we spoke about signs of profitability because so many traders get into the space, they struggle, and some of them give up along the line because they've waited or they've tried everything they can do, and they feel like, okay, this thing is not working. I've done my best, but this thing is not working for me. Excuse me. So there are some signs you will see when profitability start coming. Like maybe you are that person who always follows signals. You start seeing yourself reducing the number of signals you take. You start believing in your setup. You start saying, okay, I'm seeing a sell. And maybe when your mentor or somebody you look up to drops a buy, meanwhile, you've done your analysis and everything is telling you it's a sell. At that point, you believe more in your own strategy and say, no, but I'm seeing a sell. Why is this man saying it's a buy? Those are signs to show that you are close to being profitable. And there is something about profitability so many people fail to understand. Some people think it's about the Lamborghini, it's about $10,000 payout, it's about $50,000 payout, it's about $2,000 payout. No, that's not it. Profitability is when you can check your your trade history and realize that for the past 6 months, your profits are more than your losses. You've had a lot of negative trades, but when you have one good trade, it outperforms your negative trades. And over a longer period of time, maybe 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, even 2 months, you see that you are up, you are green. Even if not too green, but at least you are green, which means you have overcome that stage, the break-even stage. You've passed the failure stage, you've gone to the break-even stage, and now you are at the green stage. Okay, green is already profit. Even if it's $10, that can pay for your haircut. You've made profit over the span of 10 months, 6 months, 5 months, 2 months. Those are signs that you are getting profitable. Those are signs that you're getting profitable. So, as a trader, don't get too attached to money. Build your skill first. Build your mindset first. Then money is sure to come. Money is sure to come. Okay? So for those joining us now, do not forget to subscribe, guys. We are currently looking at GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame. And you can see we have a clear double top. The neckline has been taken out for pattern traders. Now we are waiting for a pullback. We are currently at the neckline, okay, of this double top. So resistance and support traders should be in already. But now we are not in because we are not just trading support and resistance. Okay, we're expecting price to get deeper. That's us. And it might choose to respect you, support and resistance trader. And it might choose to. And that's why you need to believe in what you've learned, in what you've practiced, in what you've backtested, in what gives you money. Believe in it. If my signal or my setup doesn't resonate with you, you must not take it. And you should not even take it. Do what you understand better. I'm here to make trading easy. I'm not here to give you signals. I'm here so that we can break down charts together. We can see opportunities together. We can do a lot together. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that whenever we are live, you can be active. You can actually benefit. You can ask me your questions in the comment section. You can drop your thoughts in the comment section. Okay? So I'm waiting for your questions. I'm waiting for your thoughts. I'm waiting for your contributions as well. I have my brother here who is always live with me. He always tries to contribute and at least encourage me and at least share his point of view so that we all can learn from each other, which is very, very powerful. That's why my number is on the screen. Okay? So that you can connect. Trading, I even made I shared a post today on LinkedIn talking about how lonely trading becomes when you realize, when you become serious and profitable. Trading becomes boring and lonely. Yes, it becomes boring. Imagine you being a swing trader like I am, waiting for a setup for 3 days. You finally catch the setup. And now you have nothing to do. You've entered, right? You cannot do any other thing. You just have to sit and wait. Sit and wait. You have nothing to do. Like right now, we have nothing to do. We are waiting. We cannot buy saying that, okay, let's buy for price to pull up to this zone. We cannot sell saying that, okay, price might not get to that zone. No, we have to wait. If it gets there, we sell. We will not buy before it gets to that point. PJ Script, hello, bro. First timer on. Okay, wow. Whoa, all the way from New Zealand. Perfect. Thanks for having you, bro. Thank you very much for your comment. That's very powerful. And I love the fact that you just came straight, tell me everything, like where you're from, stuff like that. You're a first timer. So please, if you're not subscribed, do not forget to subscribe. We are live always. Okay. And this is my WhatsApp number on the screen. You can hit me up, connect with me. I'm here to connect with traders. Let's make trading easy for everyone who really feels comfortable trading, because trading is actually a profession. So many people come in gambling and they end up giving up along the line. So Thank you very much for the support, bro. That subscription means a lot to me. You see, the channel is down, like the number of subscribers is down, but if you see the number of videos are more than the number of subscribers. You can imagine. So the effort from my end, I don't play with it. So I also need efforts from my audience. I really do appreciate the fact that you subscribe to my channel, PJ Script. And if you feel comfortable to relate, then this is my WhatsApp number. You can just take it down, relate with me, and let's keep building. So we are currently on GBP USD, looking forward to sell. But we are not just selling from where we are. We are waiting for price to pull up a little for us to sell. And we are always open for positive criticism because nobody is perfect in this game. Nobody is perfect. And we keep building ourselves. We keep evolving. We keep like learning every day, trying to be the better version of us. And I just created a new Instagram account because I want to actually give a simple guide on how to start trading immediately after your mentorship program. Let's say you have taken mentorship and now you want to get started. So I want to give a complete guide on Instagram that's starting even with a $5,000 prop firm, going through the phases, through the challenge phases, getting to payouts, small payouts, trying to scale up, stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to build that. Arowara Mutiat. Nice to have you, bro. I don't know if it's a bro, it's a sis. Nice to have you. Thanks for joining. We can recognize you. So tell us, where are you streaming from? Where are you watching us from? And are you a novice? Are you subscribed to the channel? Do not forget to subscribe, guys. It will go a long way to help us. So let's keep building. Let's keep building. And I will drop part of those videos here as shorts, and maybe I'll even document some of the videos here on YouTube. So you must not go check me on Instagram for those who are not comfortable using Instagram. But on Instagram, I go by the name CF. Okay, just CF, something like this. Something like this. That's me on Instagram, CF. So you can check me out. It's just a new channel I created, so you can check me out. Let's keep it going. Whoa, my brother all the way from Nigeria, Hot Ice FX. We're missing you already, man. We're missing you already. We are looking at GBP USD. We are waiting for a sell. Okay, we're waiting for a sell. So we are currently in a downtrend. When looking at the immediate market structure, you see we've had a change of character. We've broken the neckline of this double top, and now we are waiting for a pullback to continue selling. For support resistant traders, they might be looking forward to sell at this point because it's the neckline. But for us, we want it to go a little deeper for us to have a tighter risk, a better risk to reward. Okay, so let's get it going, guys. Let's share the video. Let's share the live for those with our friends. Okay, let's share the live with our friends, and let's get it going, guys. For those who are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe. I don't think you break a finger by subscribing, but if you do, contact that number and send us a picture of your broken finger. We'll send you $100. I really appreciate you all, guys. I appreciate your support. You guys are you are the sweetest set of people I've met so far. You know, even if I'm doing shit, the fact that you guys are so available, always available for me, even when I'm doing my shit. Like yesterday, we had a live SL. Okay, some people would have said, "No, this guy is bullshit. He cannot trade. He's boring." These are, but you guys are always there. The consistency means a lot to me. So I really do appreciate that, man. I really do appreciate that. You see, growth comes from stuff like this. When people When you have people who truly believe in you, who care about you, who are willing to sacrifice time just to listen to you. Imagine me being here alone. It would have been boring, and maybe I would have even stopped doing these live streams. But you guys keep showing up every blessed day, pushing me forward, making me believe in it. So, guys, I really do appreciate this. I really do appreciate this. Wow. Listen to what PJ Script, this is a powerful advice, okay? Listen to what he's saying. Risk management is super important. Now, he says, when he first started, he over leveraged, blew accounts, but now he has improved in that area, okay? That's what most traders go through. Most traders go through that. They blow accounts back to back, back to back. I remember like the last batch of my students in the academy, after they finished their 3 months program, because I have a 90 days training framework where even a complete beginner can be converted into a profitable trader if they follow the rules. Yes, I went through hell understanding trading, because at the start I thought technical analysis was it all. But my bro is telling us something here about risk management. Along the line, I discovered that no matter how technical you are, no matter how smart you are when it comes to technical analysis, if you don't apply the right risk management, you will still be broke. You will blow accounts. You keep failing until you come to that understanding that risk management is key. Even in risk management, there are factors you need to break down to understand so that you can stay consistent. So the last batch of my students, I told everyone, guys, fund a minimum of $100 in your account. Follow this rule. Have a consistent risk tolerance for a period, for this length of time. Honestly, some of them did not have up to $100 to fund their accounts. But if I can assure you, all those who stick to the rule, none of them has tested the blowing account feeling. Like they've not gotten that emotional feeling of blowing account. Like, you know, when you blow an account, there is that feeling you get. They've not learned the blowing account lesson. I discovered that it is possible for a trader to go through trading without blowing his or her account if they have the right mentor, the right guide. You know, most mentors actually most mentors actually consider most of their students as sign-ups. Okay, they don't actually see them as mentees, so they don't actually dedicate the time to build them up. That's why when choosing a mentor, be smart enough. Go for someone who truly loves you, who cares about your growth. Okay, who cares about your growth? So when you are online looking for people, always try to go deeper before choosing the person. Go deeper before choosing the person, so that you should not just be a sign up in somebody's mentorship program. I saw you know about Tori Trade. For ladies who who are on Instagram, you should know about Tori Trade. She's a trendline trader. She had her uncle as a mentor, and she started trading and went too far. She made so much money without blowing a single account, simply because she had someone who truly loved her, who truly cares for her growth. So we need to understand that, and understand that risk management will actually save you. Listen to what Hot FX is saying. Okay, he said he knows of a professional trader or a profitable forex trader who had more than 20 losses. Okay, he had more than 20 losses, meaning he had a losing streak of over 20 losses. Listen, he said the guy said losing is part of the game. Personally, with my community, we had a losing streak. We've had a losing streak, like back to back. Every trade hit SL, every trade hit SL. Imagine you hitting SL without risk management. How would it look like? Thank you very much, Hot FX. Risk management will save you a lot. Will save you a lot. So, guys, for those who are just joining us, we thank you very much for being part of this live stream, and do not sell confirmation for us to catch a sell on GBP USD, and do not go full margin. Okay, risk what you can afford to lose. That's what trading is all about. Calculated risk. Don't go in risking more than what you can afford to lose, because that's the recipe of, or the quickest recipe for destruction. So do not destroy yourself. Do not give up. For those who have gone through hell in trading, do not forget losses cannot be avoided. Okay, losses cannot be avoided. You just need to learn how to lose so that your losses will not cost you more than what you can afford. Let's keep the comments coming in, guys. Let's keep the comments coming in. Share your thoughts. Share your thoughts. And for those who want to relate with me, you can hit me on WhatsApp. You know, trading is a boring, very, very boring industry when you find profitability, because you have enough time. You don't know what to do. Okay, you have enough time when you become profitable. For someone like me who is a swing trader, imagine I'll take one trade. It's now that I'm even day trading with you guys because we are live almost every day. But at first, all this move that you see here on the daily time, on these higher highs, higher lows, it is just one leg on the higher time frame. It is just one leg on the higher time frame. I had my change of character at this point. This is more of a pullback on the higher time frame. So I would have been waiting to get my confirmation around here to sell. And once I catch this sell, I stay and watch it play out. And watch it play out. So now that we are live every day, many of you want to catch setups. You won't want to come and waste time on my live stream, and which is cool, honestly. It's cool. Personally, I have day traded before. I've scalped. And before choosing to be a swing trader, it's because I've tested all the other trading styles. Or no, I've tested 3 trading styles, and this is the one. Swing trading is what resonates with my personality, because I don't really like to be attached to the charts. When I'm too glued to the chart, it stresses me for nothing. So why not take a trade and do other things? Now, imagine you taking a trade, because I actually like building businesses. Yes, I actually like building businesses. So swing trading gives me enough time to build my businesses. Like the academy, it's a business I'm building. It's still at the starting stage. It's at the bottom. For those who are here who might want to join my academy, you can actually contact the WhatsApp number. Okay, it's cool. So you said if I'm passionate and want to achieve anything, yes, that's true. So all of us should listen to this. Okay, it's very important. It's not just for me. You know, I take all what you guys are saying here as advice to myself first. So it's more of me. I'm here to learn. Okay, so I take everything you guys are dropping here as advice to me. Like, these are lessons I'm taking. So for those who are here with me, okay, the reason why I'm reading this aloud is so that maybe you don't see the comments. I don't know. Maybe you are just, you have a large screen where you are not seeing the comment section. Okay, so I read it so that you should know. Since the live is not too crowded with so many messages, at least we can go through every message that comes in. Okay, so PJ Script is giving this advice. He says, if you are passionate and motivated and have a good mindset, you can achieve anything. Yes, failing is part of life, but you will grow from those lessons. Good, from those lessons. Like I said, like I told my students on one of our classes, because we have classes every day, 4 a.m. So I made it that early, first because of network, and second because only those who are actually determined will accept to reduce their sleeping time so as to learn something new. And when you wake up very early, your mind is still free. You have a virgin mind. You are not yet choked with so many things of the day. So that's why I decided to make it at 4 a.m. in the morning. So he also says, trading will test you. So like I was talking about losing, I told them, the money you lose, you give to the market is part of your tuition fee. know that you will never finish these trading lessons. So the market will give you the remaining lessons you need. Okay, so your losses are part of your tuition fee. Thank you very much, PJ Script. I really love to connect with you. I don't know if you've got my WhatsApp number, but please write with me. You are the kind of person who need to work with. So I'm already connected to Hot Ice FX. I'm connected to my brother all the way from South Africa. Here you see his name as Intensity 1000. Hot FX, Intensity 1000 asked to connect with you the other day. Did you finally relate with him? If not, then I can link you guys up, okay? Because I'm in the middle. If you're okay connecting with him, you let me know so I can link you guys up. He is an elite trader. Honestly, I love his trading style. I love his trading style. He is also working. He's coming forward to launch powerful YouTube channel for you guys. So the channel is MC. I've forgotten that name, bro. Please write it in the comment section so that everyone can see, and those who want to subscribe can subscribe. PJ Script, is your channel? Are you building a YouTube channel as well, or you're just using it to learn? You're using YouTube to learn, or you're building content on YouTube? Also, let me know in the comment section so that I can shout out to you guys. I can shout out for others to join to also watch your content, because this should not be a selfish space. We should always relate with ourselves and build. We are traders. The trading space is really solo, lonely, to the point where most people who come in feel as competitors. They feel like they should compete instead of trying to help each other to grow. I think we should have a different mindset. We should rather support each other and see ourselves grow, because, okay, solo trader, love that. Yeah, the reason why I think most traders should relate is because the truth is the money we make from the market, my money has nothing to do with your money. So I'm not beating you to take money. You don't. If you earn $1 million on a single trade, it doesn't touch my own account. It has nothing to do with my account. So why should I envy you? Why should I hate on you? Why should I be trying to pull you down? Rather, I should celebrate you and see you grow, because your growth actually means a lot to your family. It means a lot to your community. And if I were close to you, it would also mean a lot to me, because honestly, if I am in deep shit, you can easily pull me out. Yeah, you can easily pull me out, because the same, I'll do the same for you. So that's just it. And even if you don't pull me out, at least you pull someone out, and it will also reduce the rate of poverty we have in the world, the rate of hatred. So I think we should just keep building. We should keep growing. So guys, the London session is on, but price is slow. The pounds against the dollar is slow. So we just keep watching. We keep watching. Hot. Okay. Okay. You want me to? You're talking about the video I had to do, right? The title of the video. Yeah. Please inbox me. Let me just take a screenshot. Let me take a screenshot, because yeah, I have to do that video. I have to do that video. Yeah, I have to do that. I remember Cubanks made a series. I don't know if you guys know Cubanks. He's an American trader. Cubanks made a series on Instagram telling us to make some short videos about our margin call experience. He called it, I've forgotten the name, about a margin call experience. And bro, that series was wow. You hear stories. Of how people blew their accounts. Yeah, reckless trading. Personally, my margin call experience. Don't bother when making the video. I'll actually add a video about the margin call, because I actually recorded my margin call experience. Bro, it was crazy. It was a $500 account, and it wasn't my account. It was funds I got from an investor, a friend who trusted me with funds, guys. from all the way from Dubai, and that was in 2023. Bro, bro, I got crazy. I did shit. Ah, man, it is well. We keep building. That's why we say failures are lessons. Yeah, failures are lessons. So we are gradually coming to the end of our today's live stream. And for those who are not subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Let's connect. And for those who want to relate with me, just hit me up through this number. Okay, +237 651 899 562. Okay, so you can actually relate with me through that contact. I'm active 24/7. So if you write me, I don't reply, I'll be online and I'll definitely get back to you. Okay. So we keep it building. We keep building, guys. We keep it going. Do not place a pending order yet. Let's wait for a confirmation for us to sell GBP USD. Okay. We missed the big sell yesterday. I missed the big sell, but my students did not. That's the sweetest thing about it. My students caught it. This is the main sell of yesterday. We missed it. Wow. Yes, PJ script for sure. Fundamentals do have a lot to do with price action. That's why whenever there is news, you see powerful movements. But personally, I don't trade fundamentals. I do some light fundamental analysis once in a while, not regularly. I did it in the past. I even traded US 30 during New York opening. And, we did those kind of fundamental stuffs like you go and check Dow Jones to see what's going on, stuff like that. But bro, and as compared to my technicals, I realized that most of the times fundamentals align with technicals. So maybe if there is a big gap somewhere the market has to fill, fundamentals will push, like news will push the market to that direction and fill the gap. If there's a strong support level somewhere, price will bounce off that support level and news will push it to the other side. Or if there's a strong resistance, price will bounce off. So I said, oh, if that's the case, then let me focus more on my technicals. Yes, even with the technicals, I'm not right 100% of the times, which means I will still maintain my risk to reward or my risk management and trade normally and not attach myself to news. Because somebody will say, oh, NFP, I have to trade NFP. I don't trade shit. If I'm not in a trade before NFP, I will not take the trade during NFP. So that's just how I do it. If I'm in a trade and news comes, I just sit because I'm more of a swing trader. But now that I'm trading 20 pips stop loss with with my community, because they have small accounts, so I cannot be telling them risk 50 pips. That's $5 of $100. That's 5% of your account. That's too large. So I tell if I'm in a trade with them, I tell them 20 pips, 30 pips maximum for those who want to trade 30 pips. But personally, I recommend 20 pips. And if news comes when I'm in my normal swing trade, I don't care, because I know if it has to go against me, I'll lose the same thing I had to lose. And if it has to go in my favor, I'll make the same thing I had to make if the news did not come. So that news is just a fast pusher. So yeah, fundamental has a lot to do. It has a lot to do, but it's not the ultimate. Yeah, yeah. Hot ice. You're right. Fundamental is also important. Yeah. One of my trader friends, he says, no matter how good or how talented you are as a trader, if you don't have a plan, you will not succeed. And I abide with him. Having a trading plan actually helps a lot because you already know what you're looking for. You have a predefined system that whenever you see it on the charts, you don't need approval. You don't need someone to tell you. You can easily recognize it. You know that this is what I'm looking for because when you get up in the morning, you go through your plan, you prepare for the trades, and once you see, even if it's at night, if you are that kind of swing trader, if you're a swing trader, even if it's at night, you can catch it. Anytime you can catch it. So I think that's it. That's it. We keep building, guys. PJ Script, I really appreciate your presence today, man. Do not forget, always join us and we'll be live during New York. So always join us so we keep building together. I really appreciate your presence, man. You contributed a lot. You've been so active. And that's what this live stream is all about. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much, bro. Thank you very much. Oh, okay. It's already night there. Okay. New Zealand. Okay. You know, I've not been working with guys in New Zealand, so I don't really know a lot about your time zone. So at least now that we are connected, I will have to know a lot about you guys. So I really appreciate your time, bro. See you on the next live stream. Maybe tomorrow, maybe on Monday, maybe tomorrow, because tomorrow, 9 p.m. GMT +1 will be live for top-down analysis. And we'll go through any pair anybody wants us to go through. So we can do that together. Thanks very much for being part of this live stream. We have also come to the end of our live stream. It's 9 a.m. GMT +1. So see you guys during New York session. Have a blessed day, guys. I wish you all a fruitful trading week.